We're getting ready for spring turkey season 2024. Got the camper. Right now we're filling up the water tank because we're about to do some off the grid camping. This thing likes to squirt out a little bit once it gets overfilled and it just gushes out at you. Show you what we got packed up right now. Going in, got the cooler full of food and beverages and snacks and whatnot. Got all the turkey hunting stuff, drinking water, bunch of beer. We got some fishing poles in case we want to go try to catch some Oscars down here, South Florida. You know, and a bunch of food. So also got the old guitar over there. I'm heading out solo today, and my old man's gonna meet me tomorrow. Go ahead and get camp set up tonight, and we're gonna go try a roost a bird in the morning. Been driving for a few hours. We're about to the campground. We're about to go roost ourselves a bird in the morning. Woo-hoo! Good morning, everybody. I'm down here in South Florida. We're out here scouting. Turkey season hasn't opened yet, but it's opening tomorrow. And I'm trying to hear a couple birds gobble. It's the plan. It's light out now and they should have been gobbling for the past 10-15 minutes. I've yet to hear one, so I'm just keep on slipping until I hear one, and hopefully we get a couple birds lined up. We'll check back in with y'all once we find some. We just heard one. Sounds like there might be two birds back there. Woo, 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 woo. A little update. I heard one fire off about, I don't know, 5 or 6 times. He was only about a quarter mile away. I busted through the area and I got to the little thicket. There's another field right over here. And he was either close to where I'm at or out there. So we're gonna stage here and we're gonna see if he gobbles again, get a better idea on where he's hanging out through the day. Since today is scout day, I just want to go over my technique and what I do when I'm turkey hunting on new property or just turkey hunting in general. How I go about this is I'm listening good. Once I hear a gobble, I try to pinpoint the direction and I have my ears open and I'll figure I heard it that way. So at that point, what I do is I pull up my phone and I go ahead and pull up Google Maps, Onyx, some sort of aerial photo map, and I point straight towards the direction that I heard him. I try to get the axis correct, and then I estimate how far away he was, and I'll put a pin on my phone where I think he's located. That's pretty beneficial because a lot of these properties I've never been at. It's my first time here. I don't know what it looks like. So it just helps you stay on track when you're busting through the terrain and allows you to get closer to them. Once I get in the area, of course I start slipping a little slower and hopefully it gives you another clue. But every time I hear one gobble, I put a pin on my phone where I think he's at. Return that spot the next day, you know, and slowly slip on in on him. We just got done sitting here for 30 minutes and that bird hasn't fired back off. I was hoping that I'd get a better location. I'm debating about getting up and easing through here and seeing if I can put eyes on him. There's a field up here. I don't want to bump him. Time to break down. Man, it's as wet as it is during archery season out here right now. It's been such a wet winter. Last year I couldn't find water anywhere out here. This is the polar opposite. I don't mind a little water though. It ain't hurting us. It is 8:47 right now. We have not found any more turkey action. And we've been walking now for 30 to 45 minutes, just slipping along. Looking for turkey sign, looking for turkeys. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna keep going slow, stay in some cover, and we're making a big loop of this area to see if we could find them or any potential places they might have went. Well, it's 10 o'clock. We're walking back towards the vehicle. When I got back to this hard road I walked up on. Turkey, spooked it. It looked like it was a hen. I think there was just the one that I seen. Look for some turkey tracks. Y'all think turkeys are back here? Shoo, boy. I got close to that sucker. If I stepped on it, he didn't even move. Old nope rope. Yeah, we'll let him be. You don't need to overcomplicate all this. this hunt stuff. Keep it simple, baby. Get out here and get yourself some cheap camo. Get out here. You can get lucky. That's what it all comes down to. It's just putting yourself in the game. The more man hours out here, the more you increase your odds. The plan as of now is to start in the morning. When I heard that bird gobble, we'll get close to where I thought he was and we'll get set up. And if he's further away or we see him pitch down, we might be coming up with a new game plan, throwing an audible, but I believe we're in the game. In the game pretty good. I think I'll get us within 200 yards of that bird in the morning, as long as he roosts the same place.